The same thing. If you look this place that we are standing.
Umunemundi Bamam no na go video and trend online. Basala, a woman from Ebony State, Tigola and Umuoji, Obinu Umuoji Sono Kutusiri, Uno Onalo. Now, Anom no Umuoji life because Ganon to watch and this full video. Only in a one come with the next one again, and the king that only facing me because Gent of more of my Igbo wolf.
Is a good drainage for the village from here to the end of that road. If you go this place now, you see our brother fence that we push to ask him to go back.
Where?
You will see the pillar. Let me show you now. Let me show you. Follow me, let I show you. See this place now.
This place?
Yes. Is this guy's fence that is here before?
Okay, fence here.
Yes.
Wait.
See the blocks.
But I'm not getting what I offer, man. Getting what I'm money, huh? Okay, wait. Okay, this fence.
Yes.
Been here before.
Yes. See the edge there.
Okay.
Yeah.
There is a block.
Yeah. Then if you go here now, you see beacon.
Okay, beacon.
Yes.
So now when I tell her make him remove him.
Now our brother is saying make we remove him, but for this woman own, we don't know anything about pushing down this thing and the demolishing the house.
Not our concern.
There's nothing like that happened. At least for you, you have seen this place. And moreover, if you check this place, in this place, there are many of people living in this Umuoji build a house that is not from Anambra State. You understand? Yeah. There are many of them around this place that build a house that is not from even Anambra State. And we are living well. We are cooperating like brothers. You understand? Yes. So that spirit is not in us. You cannot go into another man's land and build. And when another person comes to your place, you will ask the person to leave. It's not proper. And we cannot do it. And if that we did not accept the woman, there's no how we can collect development levy from the woman. We gave the woman development levy on the process of building. This person came, that this land belongs to him. Yes. And two of them is in two different courts, not one. No. The woman herself went to customary court to Ojoto for malicious damage. The Ndemeka in customary court in Umuoji here, they are dragging the ownership of this land. And the woman knew. To shock you, this woman, the land that he put here, the woman sold it, the sand, the woman sold it herself.
Okay, wait. Okay. Okay. The woman saw the block.
Yes. The block,
and the sand,
the stone, everything.
The rock.
And the evidence is there.
Okay, she sold it out during the time where they are going to
yes. She knows that this place maybe, I don't know for her. At least for me, she would have waited for court to decide who is the owner of this place for them. That is my own stand. Even if we want to verify the man that parked the block, the driver, we can go there and get the driver. We know where the man is standing, but as it is now, the case does not concern the man now. But if we want to go far, and the person that ordered the man to come and park this thing is still that the woman's agent, that is Agali.
Okay. Agali, yeah.
That is it. So I don't see if, for example.
Okay. Wait, that time. If because of that, but then saw that video online where you were dragging them.
Yes.
What happened? What happened?
My brother, nothing really happened. My chairman called me. He said, "What am I around?" I say, "Yes." I say, "Any problem?" He said, "That thing that they posted online day before yesterday,
yes,
that the people is in our community again. I should go and find out what is their mission again."
Okay.
So getting to this place, I saw people kneeling down like Alakoba or whatever. I don't even know what was their mission. But I know this is a four-corner junction to start with.
Yes.
And Charles Soludo, the governor of Anambra State, has prohibited any ritual in a four-corner junction. Because the way they are doing as if they are doing sacrifice.
They need them.
They need them.
Yeah.
That's my task force chairman. That's my task force chairman.
Is there in their video now?
They prohibit.
Is there in their video where they are taking luxurious come and help us? All this one come and help. But you didn't know that what they are doing is that, but they are raising hand up, raising the
and so I was confused because I know that the thing is prohibited. any ritual in a four-corner junction. Even here, our task force is here. The fine is 50,000. If they caught anybody in this four-corner junction doing any form of ritual or whatever, because they didn't done. So I was confused because the people they told me that the man that sold the land to them, my house. So I went there, I didn't see anybody. I saw people. I said, "Stop whatever! Stop that video." That's my first. I said, "Stop!" I didn't know that. I don't know what was their mission, whether they are ritualists, whether they came for whatever. It's not my business. But I said, "Stop! You can't enter somebody's community and start doing all these kind of unnecessary things." So by the time I realized it was the man stood up, say, "Here is Igbo land." As you can see in the video, that nobody can intimidate him in Igbo land. That was how I told him that yes, we are all Igbos, and nobody is dragging that right. Yes. As an Igbo man, we have right everywhere, but that's a limited. He entered somebody's community. He didn't inform the chairman. He didn't inform. I said there's a due process. I think for the fact that you have entered somebody's territory, you should have consulted one or two persons. Yes. Like as he came, he said our chairman, but he didn't consult anybody. He just came here and started doing all the videos. I said stop it. So by the time I realized it was them, I said stop this because you are promoting hate speech. Hate speech. That's what I say. You are promoting hate speech because you are trying to bring discord between our people and the Bakriki people. That's what it's on record. No, maybe they edited it. I say you are promoting hate speech. You should stop because you want to bring discord and disharmony between our peace-loving people and the Ebony living with us. I say a lot of them, they are there. I told her, say, if you go down the lane, we have a lot of Ebony people here. And this is saying that because of, he said, because of, yes, my brother. So I said, because of that hatred that you put. I said, it would have been better you said, your life in Agumere village, Umuoji, where there is a land dispute between Mr. A and Mr. B. They have differentiated it. Yeah. But the headline from your write-up is happening life in Umuoji, Agumere village, where they demolish their sister's house. I said that capture is not good. Had it been said between Mr. A and Mr. B, then the village will be out of it. But now you just generalize it. So I said stop it because you are promoting hate speech. The guy now, even some people are saying, his people are saying stop. He wanted to fight me. Okay. I was going back. If you watch the video, I was going back. He was still coming closer to me. And I thought, I don't have anything to. I have done what I wanted to do. He now approached me again and I said, "Are you mad? How can I get somebody turn and be?" I said, "Are you threatening me?" It's there in the video. That's what I said. "Are you threatening me?" I made two statements. First one, stop. They are promoting his speech. Then I turned. He came back second time again, and I turned. So what is happening, young man? Are you threatening me in my hometown? Then I left again. I didn't say anything further than that. So whether he said they attack, nobody attack him. Not that he's the one that tried to attack me. He wanted to provoke me, so I'll say our youth. But I said no. Even though they are trying to, I said no. I was just calming them down. Don't do anything. Just remain calm because you are peace and loving people. So that is my brother.
Okay. I am Umuoji Anambra State. So according to them, now this morning here go Ghana, the other place, and they're bound to go. Okay, the same village. And they're bound to go, and nobody they drag the land from her. But they say that this one, now the compound, the person where the owner of this fence. So they say this is the land. From here where this pillar starts. From here where the land stops. Yes. So now the owner of this compound, the person where get this compound, now he talks saying this is the land. And he said that he planted this coconut where they here. So he's here. Okay. The person there now. This is the person where they drag land with. Two of them they drag the land. Now this is the person here.
The person where get this. Yeah, so I that.
You can talk. You can do with Igbo.
One Igbo.
Ife mwa na akọwalụ ife mwa na akọwalụ ndị Igbo bụ eziokwu na adị mma ka ọ ebe ọrịa. Ekwu na izi mbụ mgbe ha bịabu before.
Ọgwara nke n'aka.
Ekwu nse ebe a ịbata n'ime family ahụ ife ọ dị ebe a bụ two family. Two family anyị nwere two gate. Two gate ya nwa nke anwa bụ nke esi aba be m. The other one room take up and my junior brother, my father. Then I met him one up fence. I buy her or not. See, MSC. Now I'm gonna use the Deba Mac. I should go forget it. Naga, naive of Fuma. Naive of Fuma. Then, after I could see that in a weapon, but fence. I think confused. Nambia, they are weapons here. Just do it for 2 coach. Look there. About actually about when Melo walked over Manalo welder. I'm a welder. Then, on Sunday, and maybe on Saturday, Bumba so call you. On Sunday, and that there, the same. Kill your fancy in the wood on your day. Oh, broken to on your day. After activity here, I will move foundation on Sunday. We do on Sunday. Because Macapama on Monday now, there is no movement. The government had a roll on Monday. Then after Monday, we do on Tuesday. On Monday, I have Fabusiva. Umba Fabu on Sunday. We do on Monday. Fabia on Mount to have basket and pillar. We do on Tuesday, Fabia on Mount to Yaba in Cafon, near to the foundation. More with Ogidi police station. The police, thereby, they are even with a woman now. Those are balls. Then for more Ogidi police station, more the Bava customary court, Nambanano, no Umuoji, Umuoji. Then Basia Vauco, I can surprise you one day. In Bempota, toilet Kangasi, but a fire galley. Osita one not marry Nazubem, now marry Nikuariana. That is your name, or wherever you be, I be a each a party. Or again. Then one measure if I, or Popu. I might not go police where there. O Popu, while Banny Melum. Well, Potasian you passage about was it? Coya de Va, Kevin a many melum. When the Kujama Pota, no police in our corner after him you are under arrest. See, I fear. I the loan. Now my residence be this. Then was it Nothing that I should enter motor. Say, no way, Namaba motor, Namasiru. No bank can swear Potola, Namasiru to change Yapa before it's over weapon anywhere. Messia Ufu Nima say, Serapia. Moi, side to Sasiaru. You change Yapa, Suluva. But you can just look at my father. You can all do one pamper. Bulukia, what I jabber Ogidi position. About one work by our call myself damage. Na customary court na Ojo Teba. Then, the customary court to Ojo Ta, Kainaja, Najan Campanano. If I came below, you cannot be a boom, customary court. Only governor of Afguna, if I found Fafguna, if I found it to them, we come and get you back. But we will go under dimension where Becca. If they are threatening, well, I will call lawyer. Well, I see more people if I want to commit in a Mayfair. Now, I told you the woman where they go. And the woman I'm only for them, no better Saliba. Open about where they are Basiego, and Messiah Boya, Ugoyaku, no Goyaku, okay, Manabiko, anyway, I just know I'm going to have a problem. I come on one question to the same time. I am complaining in our police station. Okay, I'm police no more. Now left black on. Oh, now I do the bear now. Okay, talk on it. Oh, now I do the bear now. Okay, talk on it. It's up to this one. How about you? I want to be here too. So I can't quiet. So now you put your foundation all the but on your own. Wait. But I can't do it. But they do only have this year. They do your own system for the fitness club. They do your own. Because what we need now is peace. So can you the solution of this thing? Everything I go now. Now it's all echoes where it was now online. Because can you the solution? Because what we need is peace. They don't know the solution. You need now will don't want. If I'm able, Nizimbo. One of my father. We're back on the way Akala. Before we see Akala, we're who flew to the Eba now. Who flew to Amesia, taught on that, but would you flew to Ibu, Nyanko. And work on the boat, and I dry, Kado, if I you boy. akụ oyibo a dị ebe a bụ m ụtọ ya onwekwa onye be Obieki na-bịa sị m onye debe akụ oyibo ebe a o nwee ukwu gọvanọ abọpụ ebe a anyị na-agwọ mgbe abụ na anyị nwa na-azụ ebe a so ife mmadụ ji ekwu ya bụ mmala ikwo ka ndị soshal midia abatuo ọnụ na-eti ezigbo ọnụ n'okwu a bikọz amụrụ ka mmadụ ga-esi wee n'olubie n'olube onye ọzọ onye Obieki na nke bụ eziokwu bụ okwu ka ọ jọsụ mara ụmacha ọmụ mana ọ chọrọ m okwu a tiruo mmebi na data nobody na o nwere ife mmemmenwu matara mgbe somebody onye mụtara onye dị ka mara ya asụkọ na ya mụtara nwa I would do my own best and mma akwụkwọ the last video ọtụ ya anụ bọọgụ n'ụkwụ ya n'ezi ma mmemme nkwụ ya so ihe mma na-ekwu bụ na for kids to learn bụ nye na-apụrụ m na n'ọmụ nwe n'ọrụ ezi ama nna m mmefere nwe baba m onye of my own.
Okay, no problem. And if I pray that everything na peace there, but that's my own. That's my own look at peace ready. Okay, this now is your own book on half program. And so I draw. You don't mind to be so because open and Gazaga Amazon no dey see everything. So and I know that the moment you know when a lot of people gonna contact here and the youth. So come on, this will make everything.
Obeli venture eti. Okay. Obeli venture eti ebo. Makana. Ifa emegom. Odo buchi agwo mazu na military spend nebe. Spend na lu nje nnu. Ana ma happy yebe court. So mo na ukwo. Obo na court ga-enye judgment. And no ga kwumo ogwo expenses mme nefa because nefa bụ even them respect nwe ike ime n'ụwa ife m fụrụ ime mere ọ ga kwumo ogwo ma mpe ikwe kwumo ogwo ike nne expenses ime mbe ebe a ọ ga kwumo ogwo ọ sị na anagba anya ya gbara m na mma anụ ọmụ ya gbara m mma anụ ya ana abụrụ anya
Yeah, thank you for watching. Watch the next video so that you will understand what happened because the video is very long. The video to logo. So watch the next video also. Ki were no ihe mere no ono si bido. My prayer bo at last ka peace were do ari na bundi Igbo.